the weight of the world was on your shoulders with no end in sight. So you try and you try, but it feels like you'll never win this fight. And you push and you push, but disappointment is all your mind rehearses. And so you push and you push, but it's your smile that reverses from the stress and strain. Dear winter, I gotta know if it will be spring again. Let's put some gas on this one. Got a little story about a man named Lee. Listen. I saw an old man in the gym, and he asked me how my day was going. Before I answered, he just looked at me and grinned, 'cause he could tell that I've been worried. Then he said, every day's one step closer to spring. Days been getting longer now, when the change of load. Maybe winter now, but remember this one thing. It will be spring again. Then he said, the nighttime shortening. Sun is shining longer now, rising later in the morning, warming up the ground. Before you know it now, flowers will be growing again. And he said, every day's one step closer to spring. Days been getting longer now, winter change of blowing. Maybe winter now, but remember this one thing. Rich man today, he said, I've been where you are, my friend, when nighttime seems to have no end. If I am myself I'll be a rich man today. Come on. Step closer, spring. Days are getting longer now, winds of change are blowing. Maybe hot right now, but remember one thing. Said it will be spring again. Yeah. Said it will be spring again. Hey. Said it will be spring. Oh yeah.
minutes. Look at where you hit me with the front kick. What's up? You made my pause your video. You hit me with the front kick. Go ahead, pause your video.
Oh my God! Oh, that's on there too.
Get into it.